Hello everyone, this is my command prompt, and inside we create baseline demo folder and run npm link ESLint plugin baseline. Output look like this, and another time same path we run npm run lint. The output will look like this. So this is the baseline API checker, so all property are working properly. Then look my folder baseline demo. This is my folder and this is my GitHub repo. So all file and folders are available in this repo, so please explore it. And first look my readme folder. Look, ESLint plugin baseline API checker, overview, features and installation process inside my file, so please explore it. Thank you.